So I think the crucial point when it came to Hindi, earlier and in the 50s and 60s when this became a very major issue, I think in places like Tamil Nadu in particular and other places, the real objection was the imposition of Hindi by force and in a sense a disadvantaging of southern states which are not that comfortable with Hindi as let's say Uttar Pradesh is or some of the other states are. But through a slow process of assimilation now, over these years, nothing is being done forcibly, but just by virtue of the influence of Hindi films and Hindi soaps and things like that, are you not starting to find a greater acceptance of Hindi even in the southern parts of the country? Maybe not Tamil Nadu so much, but if you go to Hyderabad, for example, you go to Bangalore, quite often if you meet somebody on the road, you may speak to them in Hindi as opposed to English.
No, in fact, you have to understand something differently. Opposition to imposition of Hindi has been there pre-independence. It is wrong.
1937 it started.
Yeah,
Yes.
it is 1937
1937
itself.
there was a big movement.
It is
Yes.
not post-independence.
Right.
So even before independence, the large umbrella movement of Congress very correctly recognized that India is a country of different nationalities. It recognized different linguistic nationalities exist in this country and a federal polity has to be created. It was very well recognized before 47. But when the constitution was framed, this federalism was given a go-by. As far as Hindi is concerned, in Tamil Nadu, we have always opposed imposition of Hindi, but never opposed anybody learning any language of their choice. In fact, in South India, in Karnataka, Kerala and Andhra, there are no two-language official policy. There is a three-language official policy. Only in Tamil Nadu, it is two-language official policy, which goes mother tongue first, English second, and any other language of your choice next. So this is the policy in Tamil Nadu.
But
so
I'm
we are
asking you-
saying,
I'm
and
asking
also
you-
we are also opposed to this usage of this word, calling our language a regional language. For that matter, all languages in India, including Hindi, are regional languages. Hindi belongs to one region, Marathi belongs to another region, Bangla belongs to another region. India is a country of regions. So all these have to be properly called only as national languages. That is what
Okay.
our constitution says. It says all the 22 languages
Right.
are national languages.
Okay, Chitraji,
And
let me
Hindi
get-
is only an official language and English is an associate official language as long as people of non-Hindi speaking states want that to continue.
Okay.
That is the
Chitra-
constitutional position.
Chitra ji,
जो कुछ बातें अभी हमारे तमिलनाडु के भाई ने कही यहाँ पर वो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। आजादी के पहले और आजादी के बाद भी ये विरोध हुआ कि हम पर हिंदी थोपी न जाए और उसके लिए 15 साल जेट्टी जी ने जैसा कहा 15 साल का वक्त दिया
அவங்க என்ன
गया।
பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. இப்ப அவங்க என்ன பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியாம நான் எப்படி அவங்க பேசிட்டு இருக்கிறது நான் பதில் சொல்ல முடியும்? எனக்கு தெரியாத ஒரு மொழியில அவங்க பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அவங்களுக்கு தெரியாத ஒரு மொழியில நான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். இப்ப நான் என்னுடைய மொழியில தான் இங்க பேசுறது முடிவு பண்ணேன்.
point that I think
இந்த
he's trying to
நிகழ்ச்சியை
make is-
தொடர்ந்து நான் தமிழ்ல பேசினேன், அவங்க ஹிந்தில பேசிட்டோம், நம்ம தாராளமா நிகழ்ச்சி நடத்தலாம். Let me submit up for you in English. If she goes to speak on in a language which I don't understand, and if I can speak in a language which she can't
मैं
understand,
आपको बता
this
I
program
want to-
cannot go on.
मैं आपको ये
And
बताना चाहती हूँ
I
कि मैं
demand that
तमिलनाडु
she
में
be
जन्मी
translated for my
हूँ, मैं
purpose.
चेन्नई में जन्मी हूँ, वड़क्कम से लेके बहुत कुछ मैंने सीखा है,
मेरे में
लेकिन
वणक्कम
एक
सुनना
देश की
मार
अखंडता
दे।
और
Okay,
उसको
now,
Just saying vanakkam is not the issue. I can also
Listen,
say dhanyavad.
I'm from
I can also say
I'm
namaskar.
from
Okay.
UP, but
The whole thing will be a mess.
the
If I start-
Yeah, I
the
can
point,
speak in
okay,
Tamil.
okay, hang on.
no, I don't accept this.
Okay, so can I?
You know,
I
Okay, hang
need
on,
to
hang
know
on.
what
Can
is being spoken.
Can I, for the sake of this argument, this debate, I beg your pardon, maybe we can keep it in English.
No,
Just so that-
no.
You will not
no.
speak English
Then
as a
I'll
matter of
speak only
policy.
in
हिंदी
Tamil.
के बारे में बात करने
Then
आई
I'll
हूँ।
speak only in Tamil.
I'll speak only in Telugu.
Yeah, I'll speak
Okay,
only
I
in
will
Tamil.
leave. I will leave. इस अपमान को कौन बर्दाश्त करेगा? आखिर मैं भी आपके देश की हूँ और अगर मैं हिंदी
नहीं,
बोलना
the
चाहती
question is
हूँ
what is
India
the
தான்
nation?
என்னுடைய தேசம்.
What is the nation?
ஆனால்
Shall
இந்தியாவில்
we-
இருக்கிற எல்லா
Shall we-
மொழிகளும்
shall we-
மொழி.
Shall we
This is
not
not
understand
English
India?
is not our language.
Why
Our
should we
state.
learn Hindi and understand you?
No, I am not.
when you
I don't
want
even
to learn
understand
Nobody
you.
is forcing. Nobody
Now,
is forcing.
Vikram, I
Can I-
want to
this
take
is
a
only
look.
for
national level of
on a
state.
point of order,
Not
but
in
India.
India.
Ma'am.
किसकी
Not
भाषा
at the
I
national
cannot
level.
go like this.
किसकी भाषा है
नहीं,
अंग्रेजी?
नहीं,
किसकी
नहीं।
भाषा?
But-
हमारी
हिंदी किसकी भाषा है?
हमारी
संस्कृत किसकी भाषा है?
संस्कृत
संस्कृत
हमारी
ब्राह्मण
My
का भाषा है,
language
ब्राह्मण
is
से
2000 and
संस्कृत।
3000
मुझे-
years old.
मुझे
किसको
It is
क्या
one of the
language?
oldest languages
May
of
I-
the
हो
world.
रहा है
I don't know whose
आज की
language is
तारीख
And you
में-
do not know my
आज की-
oldest
You know,
language.
when
That is your
Ambedkar
pity.
wanted to learn Sanskrit, no Brahmin Pandit was willing to teach him.
आप कितनी
And
पुरानी
he wanted
बातों
to
में
learn
जा रहे हैं?
Sanskrit.
दुनिया आगे
They
बढ़
did not
चुकी
teach
है।
us.
Sir,
But
I
आगे बढ़ चुकी है,
today when we
दुनिया
are
हिंदी पढ़
learning
रही है।
English, these people whose children go to English medium schools, those who are talking about Hindi nationalism, where are their children studying? Are their children studying in Hindi medium schools or in English medium, Saint Anne, Saint Mary, Saint Joseph? Where are they studying?
Okay, so
That's
English.
the point.
बिकॉज
Sir, there's debate can
मजबूरी
happen
है
only
इस
if it
देश
happens in
में
English.
आज
No,
66 वर्ष बाद
but you teach your
अपनी
children in English
राष्ट्रभाषा को
medium,
बोलने
Can
दें।
make them
நீங்க
global.
என்ன பேசுறீங்க?
Oh, you
You
occupy
put
the
your
world.
mind.
living in England.
Now you occupy the
Can I
world.
wait a minute? Can the three of you please?
You
Can
will
I
be more
declare?
comfortable.
Can I declare linguistic
You don't
peace on
understand.
this show?
Let me make one point.
No, no, wait a minute. Kanchari, one second.
आपने
Ma'am,
बात
ma'am.
कहने दे मुझे।
चित्रा जी,
आप
चित्रा जी।
तमिलनाडु में तो अपनी बात कहते हैं, मुझे भी
चित्रा
यहाँ
जी,
कहने
चित्रा
दें।
जी।
मुझे ही अपनी बात
Don't-
कहने
And Tamil வந்து ஒரு global language.
తెలుగు
Tamil is a
తెలుగు
global
తెలుగు
language today.
మాట్లాడండి.
Can
ఈ
I-
దేశం ఎందుకు అర్థం
can I
కాదు?
यहाँ जो
declare-
बच्चे उपस्थित हैं मैं
Can
उनसे
I
कहना
declare
चाहती हूँ।
linguistic peace here for a moment? Just for a minute. Please, ma'am, sir. Thank you. Thank you. You know, for the sake of this particular debate, I mean, I know you know how to speak Tamil, you can speak in Telugu, and you can speak in Hindi, ma'am. This is actually right now.
अंग्रेजी की दास्तान
It's not an up.
स्वीकार
It's not actually an insult because this channel is an English language channel, and so is the show. So, if we are speaking in English, it's not an insult to Hindi that we are speaking in English right now. If you did not understand English, ma'am, I would be happy. You could speak in Hindi, and I'll translate
Yes,
it for you. And if
I
you
can
speak Tamil,
say
I'll get
I
someone to
don't
translate.
understand English and I can leave this program immediately.
Oh, you will refuse to speak in English as a
Yes,
matter of policy.
I'm refusing.
To
ये
speak in
अपमान मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती हूँ।
नहीं,
ये
speak-
आप
No,
मत
for the
बोलिए,
sake of
आप मत
convenience,
बोलिए।
we will allow it. We will allow it. We will allow
आपकी
it.
बात
Largely-
सुन-
नहीं, नहीं, you
This
we will
kind
allow
of-
it.
Fine,
We are-
let
we are more
ma'am. I will
nationalist.
allow her to speak in Hindi. I'll translate. If we
We
can
are
get
more
somebody to
nationalist.
translate.
We will allow- let us
The
speak
adamant
Hindi.
we are fighting all the time.
No, we are more nationalists. Let us allow us to speak in Hindi.
You
We
translate it
we
for
will
us.
learn
I'll
all
translate it.
languages.
You
I'll
translate it
We are
for
better
us. We
nationalists
give you
than-
a concession.
Yeah, we will
Okay,
give a
fine.
concession.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you can speak in Hindi. I'll translate.
We are
I'll
more
translate.
liberal
I will-
and more
Yes, South
accommodating
Indians are very
than
liberal.
parochial
मैं
and
आपको एक
chauvinists
बात
like you.
कहती हूँ 1650 में ब्रिटेन में फ्रेंच कानून की भाषा थी और लैटिन शिक्षा की भाषा थी। 1650 में ब्रिटेन की संसद में वहां के एक याचिका दायर की गई कि हम विदेशी भाषा की गुलामी छोड़ देंगे 1650 में।
So, Inka, sorry, why am I
So,
translating it
now,
Hindi for you?
Angrezi-
I'm getting confused now.
One issue-
No, hang on, hang
I
on.
was
I think her
I want
point
somebody
is,
to
her
translate
point
me
is,
for
I
her-
don't want
Hindi.
to participate if anybody is
Alright.
देश की नागरिक होकर मेरा ऐसा अपमान किया जा सकता है।
Actually,
हमको
who's
आप
insulting
நான்
you,
தமிழை
ma'am?
பேசிட்டே போறேன்
Ma'am, who's
உங்களை
insulting you right now?
இதே மாதிரி நானும்
If you are refusing to speak in English,
அதுக்கு அர்த்தமே கிடையாது. மிக சிறப்பான தமிழை என்னால பேச முடியும். இதை விட அதிகமான வரலாற்று
Ma'am,
சான்றுகளோட பேச
we've
முடியும்.
sorted this issue out. You're speaking in Hindi. I'm translating for you. Her basic point is why speak in a
Then
foreign
you have to
language.
translate
hang
me
on.
from Tamil to English.
No, I don't speak Tamil.
Yeah,
Please
that's
translate for
my
yourself.
equal right.
Who speaks Tamil?
It's my equal right. I'll speak
Somebody who
in
speaks
Tamil.
Tamil, help me.
You ask somebody to translate it in English.
All right, one second.
I want to
I
do
also can exercise
Can
my right.
I just break away from this? Can we come to you now for a